I've finally finished and fully restored the BMW E46 M3. But for that exact reason is why I've got to say goodbye. Over a year ago, I found this BMW M3 looking very sorry for itself at the side of a racetrack. What do you guys think of this? Come on, vote here, yes or no. Is this going to be a good buy? And of course, I bought it. This is a 2002 E46 BMW M3. But it was left there for a reason. One of those reasons being the boot floor had a huge crack in it and the car had just been mistreated. But over the past year, I've been working away at it, tackling every common problem on this car. We completely stripped apart the front end and restoring this rare Laguna Seca Blue manual BMW M3 back to its former glory. The last thing this car needed was a fresh lick of paint. Which brings us to today, where I finally have a fully repainted, restored BMW E46 M3. Look at this thing, it looks absolutely incredible. You may notice a few things missing, but now we've gone almost OEM, minus the C63 AMG brakes on the front, which I think are necessary, but we've got rid of all the tint. We've got original windows. We've of course kept the Richard Hammond sticker on the back.
I think we need it parallel with that.
But all of these are new windows on the back, new window on the front, because all of it had to be taken out for paint. We've gone back to the amber front indicators as well. We are just missing the fog lights, but they will come, and all of the black has gone back to chrome, looking original, how it should, because I feel like this car is definitely not going down in value. Yes, I am feeling okay. I've actually almost managed to put a car back to standard, with a few little touches here and there, but I think they're tasteful ones. And of course, how could we forget the Scorpion exhaust system that we fitted? Hannah? I actually forgot what that sounded like. It's proper E46 rasp. What a timeless car this E46 is. But it is for all of these reasons why I've got to let it go. What a journey and what a story this BMW has to tell. From being lifeless to flying around the Nürburgring and even visiting Richard Hammond's workshop.
You're legally obliged to like these things.
That's true. It's truly amazing how one car can bring you so many memories. But I guess that's why all of us petrol heads love them. Yes! Peter is the man. And that's not forgetting how much we've learned rebuilding this thing. So many new skills and so many new challenges has not only improved this car, it's improved my skill set.
At Armstrong's E46 M3.
And that's why I say thank you, BMW M3. That does sound good. Thank you for this frustrating, time-consuming and exhausting journey. You've well and truly lived up to be one of my favourite cars. And one of my favourite rebuilds ever. But my work here is done. And now it's time for somebody else to enjoy the M3 as much as I did. So after doing all of that work, you're just gonna get rid of it. What was even the point? Well, not quite. I actually bought this BMW M3 as a restoration project and as a project to challenge myself for the YouTube channel as well. And now that it's finished, there's really not much more content I can film on it. And for that reason, I'd rather see somebody else enjoy it as much as I did. So what are you gonna do then? Are you just gonna sell it then to somebody else or what? Again, not quite. For all the regular subscribers, you will know exactly what's about to happen. That's right, high-speed competitions are giving you the chance to win my BMW E46 M3. Oh no, another one of these bloody raffle scams. No one ever really wins it, and you don't even have fog lights. I hate this. You couldn't be any more wrong. So many of you already have won some of the previous projects on the channel. We've had Craig, who won my Audi S5. Jack, who won my Bentley Continental GT. Matt, who won my Golf R. Calum, who won Hannah's Ford Mustang. Mark, who won my Audi R8. Chris, who won my BMW M4. Another Chris, who won my BMW 140i. And Rebecca, who won Hannah's Audi RS5. And most of the time, from winning these cars, it's actually changed those people's lives. Remember Calum, who won Hannah's Ford Mustang? And it was so expensive to insure it.
I've had one for 17,000.
So he actually ended up selling it, and with that money he was able to buy his first house with his partner. And if you guys remember Matt, who won my Volkswagen Golf R, he kept it for around 6 months and his brother got ill and needed surgery. He actually ended up selling the Golf R to pay for his brother's surgery, and we all did this as a YouTube channel, which is absolutely mental. Yeah, but you've still got no fog lights. Don't worry, I'll be putting the fog lights on for you when you come and collect it, because they should be here in time. Hang on a minute, why don't you just sell the car like everybody else? Well, for those exact same reasons of what I've just mentioned, look at how many people we've helped out by doing this. And I've learned from over the years of doing this YouTube channel, we could please 10 people and displease 10 other. But the way I see it, nobody is forcing you to enter. You don't have to enter if you don't want to. If you don't like it, you don't have to enter. It's as simple as that. But I think this way is so good. You guys who've watched the channel and watched the builds actually get the chance to own them. And it also gives me the opportunity to help a lot of you as well. But if you do want the chance of winning the E46 M3, then here's how. This competition literally ends tomorrow. There's only 24 hours left. In fact, by the time you're watching this, there's probably less than that. So let's run you through this. The competition is going to be hosted by High Speed Competitions, and we trust them because, well, Hannah is the director. Hannah had to set High Speed Competitions up to make this all legal and above board. Now, with the past few competitions, we've switched things up a bit, and you guys seem to like it a lot more. So, we're going again. Instead of a ticket-based competition, this is a time-based competition, and time is ticking because this competition ends Tuesday the 20th December, which makes that tomorrow at 8 PM, and the winner will be announced at 9 PM. That means you could be driving this home. In fact, you could drive it home tomorrow. Usually, these competitions are a week long, or until all the tickets are sold out. But by doing it time-based, yes, I take a lot of risk on doing this, but it gives you, the people who watch the videos in the first 24 hours, the best chance on winning the E46 M3. Imagine me and Hannah calling you up tomorrow to say that you have won the E46 M3. Now, unfortunately, this is only open to UK residents only. No matter how hard we try, we just can't abide by all the laws all around the world. So I'm extremely sorry for that. But just a reminder, no matter how many tickets sell or don't sell, the E46 is going regardless. One of you are taking this home tomorrow. So hypothetically, if I did want to enter, how would I do it? Oh, so you're actually considering it now? Well, let me explain. For one ticket, it costs £9.95p. That gets you one entry into the competition for the M3. And Hannah, how do they do this?
You've got to click the link in the description box below.
That's right, and that will take you to High Speed Competitions website. From there, you have to answer a simple question. Once you've answered that question, you can pay for your ticket and you'll receive a ticket number. But don't worry if you lose or you can't remember your ticket number, because we'll be contacting you if you've won by phone or by email. And the M3 is not the only thing you'll be entered to win. In this competition, there is 5 winners. First place, of course, will take the E46 M3. Second place is £1,000 cash. Third place is £1,000 cash. Fourth place is £1,000 cash. And fifth place is £1,000 cash. Oh, I really hope I don't regret that decision. And what's even crazier than that, you could take all 5 prizes, because once we've done the draw for the first winner, you're back in again for the next prize, and again for the next prize, and so on and so forth. So I've got my ticket, but my ticket number is 4,967,000. You've sold 4,967,000 tickets. You're so greedy! No, that does not mean we've sold 4,495,000 100,000 was your ticket number or something around that. The ticket numbers are randomly allocated. You could get ticket number 1 or ticket number 4,495,000. It is completely random. Okay, so I've got my ticket number ready. How do I know if I've won then? So the winners will be announced live on High Speed Competition's Facebook page and also live on this YouTube channel. And the live draw will be happening Tuesday the 20th at 9 PM. If you're watching this today, that's tomorrow. If you're watching this on Tuesday, that's today. So how is the winner picked? How do I know that you're just not gonna fix it and give it to your mate? So the winner will be picked using a Google random number generator. We found this the best and most easiest and fair way to do this, and we've done it plenty of times over. You guys can even use it at home. You go onto Google, you type in random number generator, you have a minimum number, a maximum number, and when you click that blue button, it generates a random number in between them. And if that's your ticket number, then you have won the BMW M3. But don't worry if you miss the live draw, because if you've won, we'll be calling you up tomorrow during the live draw. So get your phone ready. I cannot wait to call the winner. What a win this would be, and what a car it is. So after all that, where does the money go? Well, you've seen it for yourself. Over the past couple of years, this channel has grown and grown, as well as myself, the mechanical abilities and the cars that I've worked on. Every single penny I get goes straight back into the channel to making better content for you guys to watch, and also it is so enjoyable. This is literally my life, and I'm so dedicated to it, and the stuff I've achieved from doing this has been absolutely amazing. And to bring all you guys along the way with me it literally blows my mind, and I cannot thank all you guys enough. There is no real words for it. This YouTube channel has really changed my life, and I'm trying to give back as much as I can, whether that's in content or even a car. But even if you don't enter, please don't feel like you're not supporting this channel. You support this channel by watching, liking and subscribing every single week, and for that I say thank you. But for those that have got a ticket, good luck to you. Hopefully I'll be calling you tomorrow or Tuesday the 20th of December. And remember, if you don't like the competition or you don't like me, you don't have to enter. It is as simple as that. But good luck to all of you that do. See you tomorrow night. Gonna say, is there like a limit or something like that, you greedy bugger?